All right, so I am going to record some tutorials for you. The first of which, let's go through creating a Webex meeting. So what I'm going to do first, let's pull up this screen. I'm going to pull up my browser. I'm going to go into my calendar. You do have to be signed in. You're going to click these dots, go into your calendar. I like it on month view, so that's what I have here. So to create a new calendar event, I'm going to click on the day. That's going to bring this up, and let's do Webex test meeting 2 since I already have test meeting 1. I always like to go into more options. It's a little bit easier to see. And this is personal preference. For location, I always put remote because that's where I'm going to be hosting this meeting is remotely. You do not have to do this. It's just a thing that I like to do. Let's go ahead and uncheck all day unless, of course, you're having an all-day meeting. We're going to choose a time. I already have a meeting at 10, so let's choose 11. Make sure that you choose your end time here as well and that your date is correct. Let's add a description in here. This is my second test meeting. All right, so to make this an actual Webex meeting, we're going to click Add Conferencing. We're going to choose Webex Meeting since this is the more secure form of a meeting. You can do personal rooms, but we'll go into that into a different video. So Webex Meeting, it's going to generate all the meeting information for you so that you don't have to do that through the Webex website. And there we go. We're going to go ahead and add a guest. Let's do Josh. There, Josh is our guest. He's been getting a lot of meeting invites from me today. All right, so, and there's a couple of ways that you can do this, but this is the way that I like doing it. So we have all of our information there. Our title is correct. Our time is correct. Date is correct. I put remote. We have it chosen for Webex meeting, and I have a description. One other thing that you can do is go ahead and put in here a notification if you want something other than the standard notification, or you just want to choose different settings. Go ahead and do that here before you close this out. I'm going to hit save. It's going to ask me if I want to send the invite. Sure. All right, I've sent that invite. What I'm going to do next before my meeting starts, I'm going to go back to my calendar view. I'm going to click on that meeting, and you can see here in the pop-up, it says if you're a host, go here to view host information. This is the way I start all of my meetings. So I'm going to click that. If you're not already signed in, you will be prompted to sign in. That's your normal Google credentials that you log into your mail and your calendar with. So you can see I have Webex test meeting here. I'm going to hit start meeting, open Cisco Webex meeting. And with my setup, you can see how this is all funky. But this is what you're going to need to do when you're ready to start that meeting. Go ahead and hit start meeting. And you're good to go. Now others can join your meeting. So that is it for this tutorial. I'll have more information and more tutorials coming up. Stay tuned.